G'day guys, great to be back with you again today. Important update: if you're using Binance trading platform for cryptocurrency, it's one of the major ones, so if you have not used them, they're exceptionally great exchange to use, very secure, and their support is amazing, and they keep everyone updated when things do occur in the industry. After all, technology is always under threat, and so in the last 4 or 5 hours they've kept us in the loop. If you can look on Twitter or maybe even Facebook, for 7 hours I can see they've done re-maintenance to keep security in appliance and make sure that people's funds are protected and secure. And so they've requested everyone to reset their API security keys. So if you're using an external platform for trading in and out through Binance, whether that is bots or whether that is some other sort of application to help your trading process, then you'll need to go ahead and reset your keys, because they've gone ahead and done that. So you need to go ahead and re-enable it now. So to be able to re-enable it, you'll have to go to the platform of the one that you are using and re-enable it, and also reset everything up in Binance. So they've just left another message updated since they've done the re-enabling of the API only a few minutes ago. Binance has completed the system maintenance and we will resume trading activity at 8 AM UTS. 8 AM UTS, which I'm not sure, 8. Okay, so that's in a half an hour from now, at the time of this recording. So 8 AM will be 6 PM at my location on the east coast of Australia, but depending where you are, the time you've seen this recording, and that's not applicable. But anyway, they're updating everyone, communicating and letting everyone know what they're doing. So they're quite agile, they're quite on top of these things to protect your security and protect your funds, and they're communicating this out on the Telegram and Twitter to let everyone know that what they're up to. And so that's it, guys. So hopefully that keeps you updated. If you want more updates about Binance or what's going on, please go ahead and look at their Twitter or Telegram. And if you have any problems resetting your keys, doing all that, please go back to the person that you got that external product from and ask for support from there. Do not ask for it from an unknown source, because you are dealing with your own security and you need to protect that. So don't let other people see those API keys, even if they're saying they're going to help you. Do not do that, because giving out that type of information, well, it's not good. It's something that you need to handle, and if you can't handle it, then you need to find that internal person that can handle the problem. Thanks, guys. Hope this helps you, and bye for now.